Welcome back to South Park, Let's Take a Truth.
Can't be me. I'm pretty slender and I've never done an abortion.
Kay, yeah. Anyways, here's the surprise.
Right in front of us.
We snort cocaine.
Oh, look, he's all small.
First off, I've got to show y'all something funny. Here we go.
Oh, snap.
And that's the game. So I hope y'all really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed playing it. I don't know about y'all, but that was a pretty fun game. And
Oh, look.
then you just go up to his butt and you
Wow,
hit
this
A.
kid is just full of surprises. Quick, get up there and disarm the snook. Hurry!
Oh, be careful. I might have also put some bats up there the other night.
You say bats?
Bats. I will give you a little warning. This episode is going to get a little nasty.
Oh man, it's just.
You can't. You must find a way out of this place, or you will surely die. The way behind you is blocked by the large sphincter. Make haste to the large intestine. All will be made clear to you then.
A great adventure is waiting for you ahead.
That's Dicky
Journey onward, new kid, or you will soon be dead. The road ahead is full of danger and fright.
shit.
Push onward, new kid, with all of your might. New kid,
Damn it!
new kid, new kid, new kid.
That's it, all the song anyways.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Okay, there is a secret achievement here. If you have the whip to call him Mr.Slave, use Mr.Slave, and you can use Mr.Slave inside his own ass. So, there is that. But we'll just hurry up and get rid of these guys here. Okay, he might take a little bit of... Yeah! How'd you go?
You think we were too hard on him?
Not hard enough. And please don't mention hard while we're in here. Piece of corn in his butt. Wendy gave us a message. What did she say? Oh, about to sleep over. Okay, now we gotta go to Stan. And you've gotta use...
Dude, are we really gonna go to sleep? Your word is the command, my lord.
He's gotta have this.
Sparky!
Yeah,
Here, boy.
this. Sparky. Bad dog. Okay. I guess we'll stick with Stan here. What you want to do, you want to wait for that. Bam! You've got to drop on him if you don't want to fight him, which we don't. We're level 15. There's no point in doing that. Just come on through here. Gross. Walk it on through. And there's Mr. Hat, in case y'all been wondering where he's at. He is up his butt. Then we gotta do Nagasaki here. There it is. Yeah. Alright. In order to get this, you gotta walk up to the yellow button real quick.
Hello? Slave honey? You better not be tied up somewhere, you silly goose. Huh. Where is he?
If you miss that phone call, you will miss the chance of getting Mr. Big Gay Al as the friend. So you gotta get that then and there. I really don't feel like fighting him because there's no need. Now we are just showing you how to do this. Climb down here. Put the batteries in.
Alright, let's test it.
Come back up here and turn on the lights. And you will free Man Bat while also blinding him.
Ooh, Jesus Christ.
Alright, you go back down through here. And you open this. Condom hat. I really don't want Stan. I want Butters. Because Butters is just awesome. Climb up the anal beads.
I am the Sparrow Prince. Like you, I was once used for pleasure as an anal plaything, and thus perished in this place. Now you must defeat my angry spirits in order to move forward. I know I don't really sound that angry, but trust me, I am.
This battle could take a little while. This is a fairly difficult one at times.
We will kill him with compassion.
Let's see if I can make him bleed. Nope. What we're gonna want now is let's go for the hammer and stun.
Let's see how you like dealing
At least
with
stun the two amiibo things or whatever they are. Goos. If we can stun them, we don't have to really worry about the birds. So we'll do that.
Hiya!
Ow! You're a dick! He's resistant to my sword. Well, that's no bueno. He's resistant to that, but they are weak to it, so we'll do it anyways, maybe knock them out.
My anger is greater now. Hey!
Bam! Wow, they are really screwed. I want to give him a mana. That kind of worries me. He might actually poo himself. Let's hit him with this. Bam! Good deal. Alright, now he's reflecting, so now he's going to be kind of hard to beat.
There's still so many enemies and battles yet to fight. For Lemmy Winks, the Gerbil King, to be told another night.
I really don't know what I just did there, but I didn't do it right, apparently. Never used to cut the spell before. I just want to get rid of my mana before I really messed up. But let's go ahead and do it anyways. Get rid of some of my mana. Come on, Jack Sparrow, die! Oh, Lumbee Revival. I didn't kill that thing. No, Butters! Have some health, my friend. Hey! Oh my gosh, come on, bird, you die. This should be it right here. Yeah! No, I actually gotta kill these guys. He's got full health. Not cool, not cool. No! You guys are gay. Bleed! I'm about to cancel them out. I have to do this. I'm pissed right now. I am literally pissed. We need the hammer!
Let's see how you like dealing with me.
No! Oh well, maybe it worked. Or maybe not. Mother of God!
The road ahead is a push onward, Lemmy Winks.
I'm not happy right now.
Push on, Lemmy Winks. Push on.
I'm not happy.
Push onward, Lemmy Winks.
Don't look back, Lemmy Winks.
Take the play! Which is apparently my most powerful attack against you guys, so just sit there and take the play! Yay! Oh my god! I'm not happy.
You have proven yourself in combat, young anal plaything. You may journey forth, find the Snook's trigger, and save the outside world. Fare thee met, and fare thee well.
Alright, so after finally defeating the bird.
Those are Carmen's mom. Well, we can't get that. There's too much shit here.
Alright, so we need that, and we need Nagasaki. I think I found it right there, maybe? Yeah! Oh, wait, we need this. Take that. Come onto the bottle cap. Alright, now after that little cutscene's over, you can move. And you go down Cartman's little toy.
I didn't join the company for this. We've got our orders. Yeah, but how come we always get the shit jobs? Go clean out the barracks. Go round up civilians in their homes. Go up a gay man's butthole and guard against intruders. Fucking sucks.
Armed guards? What are they doing here?
Whoever seeks to blow up the city clearly doesn't want anyone stopping them.
You must get past them, new kid. Go fuck them up.
Right, there we go. Let's at least stun one of them. Nice. Maybe this won't take the rest of the episode, and maybe, well, even if it does.
It's a good day to die.
Yeah.
For you, that is.
You. Please. I want the hammer this time.
Let's see how you like dealing with me.
I'm hoping these guys can be stunned. Yeah, they can because he's stunned. So it's gonna happen. I got shields! I was following the shield and talking about hammers. Oh well. And then I want you to bleed. Yeah! And then we're gonna hit you pretty good with this. Bam! Right in the shins.
We'll see it if it works. No.
Take cover!
He's gone. Yeah, he's gone. Gone. Dead. It only took a minute. I'm happy about that. Get tactical armor stuff and some more mana stuff. I do believe we're here to be able. Here is where we're gonna be able to. Yes, we are.
New kid came to the storm at dark, 'neath the cold depths of the London heart.
Hello, new kid. I am Katata Fish.
Katata fish of the stomach's cold.
The trigger of the thermonuclear device lies before you. I have tried to solve its riddle, but I have been unable to disarm it.
Katata fish riddle will soon be told.
There are only moments to spare. Find a way to disengage the trigger, or all will be lost.
Okay, this here, as you can see the handicap sign. Jimmy is needed for this.
Where is the command, my lord? This calls for a little bardic access.
While he's doing that, we can come over here and get a little bit of that, get a little bit of that. Here we go.
Snook abortion sequence initiated. Begin electrolytic infusion. Cold. So cold. Danger. Abortion access slit dilated. Initiate control chip removal. Wrong chip, ow. Not that, I needed that. Wrong chip, self-destruction sequence aborted.
Yeah! So we have now aborted a man, and we've aborted a bomb. We are awesome.
What is it, Mr. Slave? What are you feeling?
Jesus Christ!
Great job, new kid. But your journey is not yet complete.
Yes. But should we ever need your services again, we will call.
Crown on David Hasselhoff head.
Great
It's
job.
no
You
better.
disarmed the snook. South Park is saved.
Yes. Now let's finish this, new kid. Let's beat Clyde once and for all and take back the stick of truth.
Oh, it's gone now. Alright. We're going to end this episode right here. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and go. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. We're just gonna do this real quick. I think I can do it.
Clyde, back away from that stuff. Oh, but I have yet to complete my army. You have come to witness the power of darkness.
Stop! Clyde, you have no idea what that stuff is!
Yeah, it's green sauce from Taco Bell. I took it from their construction site. Dude, that's not Taco Bell sauce. Then why'd I find it at Taco Bell? It leaked out of a UFO, Clyde. It's toxic goo from another galaxy. Think about it. Since when does Taco Bell have a green sauce, dude?
Actually, since about a year ago.
What?
Taco Bell has green sauce now.
No way. They've had it longer than a year. I've always gotten spicy green burritos.
Yeah, no, I'm saying in the packets. They just started putting green sauce in packets.
You fuck, how the fuck did I miss this? Haha! I don't seem so foolish now, do I?
That doesn't mean you have Taco Bell green sauce, dip fuck.
Yeah, Clyde, why do you think that shit's glowing? Maybe because of the 3 varieties of chili peppers. Just give us the stick, asshole. Or what? You'll beat me up? Haha! I've got another surprise for you.
Who's it gonna be?
I'm gonna make love to you, woman.
Ah! Get him, Commander Douchebag!
You know what? I'm gonna be a dick. We are cutting it off right here.
Let's all make sweet love.
Hell.
We're cutting it off here. Right now. That's the only attack you guys get to see. Don't believe me? Bam. It's paused. Come in next time to actually see the video of me fighting Chef. Nazi zombie chef. Whatever.